Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will address the topic of growing mint at home with hydroponic method. Mint is one of the herb which has plethora of benefits for our health. If you want to grow it through cuttings and without soil, you must watch this video till the end. So here you can see I have bunch of cuttings that I will be planting in the small bowl. Cuttings length should be adjusted in accordance with the depth of your desired bowl. Sharp cut should be provided to the stem of mint since it can make uniform and healthy rooting. Also make sure that you should not take more than 10 cuttings for one bowl. So I am having here near about 9 to 10 cuttings to be planted in one bowl. For growing cutting, I have this small bowl which is of dishwash. You can also have any of the prop from your home to grow mint cuttings. Here on the cover of bowl, or you can see on the lid of bowl, I have done number of tiny holes in which cutting will be inserted. Adjust the size of the hole with the thickness of the cutting so that it can be perfectly fitted. After filling water till the half of the bowl, now we are ready to plant cuttings. Make sure you are changing the water of the cuttings every day. Now close the lid of dishwash. A number of tiny holes I have done. So according to the thickness of your cutting, you can insert any of the cutting in any of the hole, but make sure there should be a minimum distance between the cuttings. Now turnwise insert the cuttings in the holes. Once this process is done, we are finished to plant it. Make sure the cuttings that you are planting should not be too thick as well, because if the cuttings will thick, it will take more time to get roots out of the stem, and the cutting length should also be adjusted according to the depth of the bowl as I mentioned earlier. So if there is a much length, you can cut it through the scissor. The mint is also easy to grow in the soil as well from the cutting. This is the right time. You can plant the mint very easily through the cutting. Either you can also plant one root in the pot and it will spread very easily and with very quick manner, since this is the time when they grow and they have a lot of lush and green growth. So now you can plant it very easily at your home through cuttings or either from the root. Now if I talk about the spot where the cuttings should be kept, it is preferred to keep at semi-shaded area where they can receive filtered sunlight. There should be no exposure to the direct sunlight to these cuttings, because these don't have roots right now and the water will very retain in a quick manner. So make sure you are planting and you are keeping them in a semi-shaded area for the 7 days, and after 7 days we will see one update that how they have emerged themselves. And now we will keep them in the semi-shaded area for the 7 days and I will update you once after 7 days. And here you can see this is the result after 7 days. Cuttings are looking healthy and there is no any of the cutting which got dried up. So let's open the lid and see whether the roots have emerged or not. So here you can see it is the positive outcome as roots of the mint started to emerge out of the stem. Skinny white roots are the indication of cuttings success. Now we will add some of the fertilizer. If you wish to add, then you can, but there is no need until they have completed their 15 days after the rooting process. So you can also add DAP. DAP is diammonium phosphate, which increase the root and it also balance the overall growth of the plant. So here we can now plant them in the two ways. You can also leave it as it is and you can harvest the mint after 15 days in the water. If you want to plant them in the soil, it is also a good idea. Now they have been emerged as a individual plant and they have a lot of tiny stems that are coming out of their bottom. So this is the right time to plant the pot as well. I will be planting some of the cuttings in the pot and will be leaving some of the cuttings in this. I hope this was a helpful video for you all, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video among your family and friends. For more videos with updations, if you want to watch, you can tell me in the comment section and the topic on which you want, and I will be making it as soon as. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.